Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. So far, I've taken 3 trades today. It's kind of a choppy, well, when I took the 3 trades, it was a choppy grind up. I had one small loser, a small winner, and another small loser right here. Trading 8 micro contracts today. So we've had this, like I said, a grindy up move here, which I kind of pillowed out right here, and now we got the 5 and the 3 that are pointed down. And so I'm actually looking for a short here. Trying something a little different today. I did some back testing over the weekend and numbers look pretty good. So today what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to trade in line with the 5 and the 3 signal line. And in my back test, I was looking at not only going long in the green zone and only going short in the red zone. I was kind of ignoring the green zone and red zone, and it still worked out pretty well. So I'm going to see how that goes today. I also ended up tightening up my stop a little bit. I think my stop was a little too big on Friday. I was using 80 ticks. I pulled that down to about 50 ticks. So I'm still going to take profit at 40 ticks and leave half running after that for a C delta exit. We'll see how it goes today. I have to leave a little early today. I got a meeting at 10 o'clock I got to get ready for. So it'll be a rather short stream this morning. All right, I just took a short there because we got a tick down. Well, that's not the tool that I want. We got a tick down on the 1 minute that was in line with the 5 and the 3. 21,775.50 is where I'm in. All right, and there's 40 ticks right there. Doesn't show in TradingView, but in Quant Hour, it took profit. So got the rest at break even here. Sitting right on top of VWAP, in between the anchored VWAP and the standard VWAP. While we're waiting here, go ahead and check out the news. German IFO business climate. That was at 3 a.m. today, but that doesn't really affect us too much, I don't think. Tomorrow, we got CB Consumer Confidence at 9 a.m. and the Richmond Manufacturing Index at 9 a.m. Not a whole lot going on. Go ahead and update my P&L here with those 4 contracts. Pushing under VWAP a little bit there. Good morning, K. John. How you doing today? Much better. That's good. All right, we are getting a tick up from this lower power zone. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest here. Took profit at 7.5 points on those other 4 contracts. There we go. Got that 825 candle here to jostle the market in 3 seconds. Yep, and it jostles the market. It's funny how that happens every day. Still looking for a short here. We'll see if we get another setup right before the open. ATR sitting at about a 30 right now, which is not too bad. All right, I just went short there. 21,762.50. All right, there's 4 contracts off. And we got 4 running still. We are ticking up with a higher low here, so we close this way. I'm going to go ahead and close it. All right, just took profit there. So for the other 4 contracts, looks like 5 3/4. Still looking for shorts here. Got the open here in about 10 seconds. And we are open. Still got the 5 and the 3 pointed down. So still looking for a short over here on the 1. And we are getting a tick down under the falling delta on the 1. Not confirmed yet. Pushing back up here, a little fake out to the downside there. We did sweep this liquidity over here. Could have been a little fake out to the upside there to entice the longs back in. We want to go short there, but I'm waiting for the 3 to fall back in line here. It's interesting. We have the daily open sitting right at the London low. It's the same level. Heading right for that. Like I said, I wanted to short this right here at 834. Just waiting for the 3 to fall in line, which it is now. At the time, it was still pointed up. Just took out that daily open. Still looking for a short here. All right, I just took that short there. I know it was a small tick down, but it was a tick down. It was in the that lower power zone. That one might be a little dangerous. And I just pulled the plug on that one since we did tick up with the higher low. So that's 4 1/4 on that one for a loss. I figured that one would be a little dangerous with that. I mean, that tick down was just really, it's really tiny. So it's really easy to get run over on that one. Even if you continue heading down here. Hey, Jason. Good morning. We are ticking down again with this this newly updated strategy that I'm using. It doesn't matter if it's in the power zone, so that's why I went short on that other one, and I'm about to go short again here. All right, I'm short now. And just took profit on 4 contracts, moving to break even. And I'll update this. 21.9 or 698.25. That's where I got in. And it hit my break even already. That's how quickly it can happen. Well, it was a good winner anyway. So 4 contracts at 40 ticks. Well, it would appear that we're trying to bounce on the daily open. 'ATR is about a 73 right now. We got the 5 and the 3 ticking up, so I'm looking for a long on the 1. Hey, does the stream, the quality of the stream look any different today? I messed around with some settings. I don't know if it's better or worse as far as like the pixel quality, or I think before there was like periods where I would kind of cut in and out. Maybe not. I know somebody has said that before. So I tried to lower the bit rate, which should make things a little bit smoother, but the pixel quality might be a little less. Looks the same? Okay, well that's good. There's a move down. Still waiting for that 3 to fall back in line before I can take a short. Got the previous week low sitting down here at 652. You know, after Friday, I figured we were going to continue pushing down today. I just took out that previous week low. It would be nice if it let us on the train here. Here's the hourly. Still looking fairly ugly. Here's the 4 hour. On the daily, we got this short signal right here. So yeah, that could get rather nasty. Just dropping straight down. Let's see what Bitcoin. Ooh, Bitcoin's dropping too. Got the 9 o'clock candle coming here in a couple minutes. Still pushing down. Looking for a short. The 5 and the 3 are pointed down currently. The 1 is also pointed down. You can barely see it. That signal line is right on top of that delta, but it is pointed down. So we can go ahead and try to jump in a short here. All right, I am short. And hopefully I don't get run over. I feel like I'm late on the train here. 21.5, 72, 75. And there's 4 contracts off, moving the rest to break even. And my break even was hit. Okay, John's looking for 21,531 for a possible dead cat bounce. $531. We got our average daily range line here at 521. About $10 off from that. Pushing down again here. Those deltas are fat on the 5 and the 3. You know, why can't I ever just get on the train without it stopping me out at break even? That's a little frustrating. You know, like up here, twice right there, and then on this one, and then this giant candle down the average daily range. Jesus, look at that. What a candle. What is this? Let's see. It's a 56-point candle. Still pushing. No bounce in sight. Got a pivot line down here at 472. We are getting a tick down right here. It is very difficult to see on the indicator, but we are ticking down. I was thinking about taking that short, but it'd be nice if I could get a little bit better of an entry that was more of a deeper pullback. Looks like that still probably would have worked. Let's see. Yeah, still would have worked. And we're slicing through the pivot like it's nothing. There's the 4 hour again. Just dropping like a rock. How are you supposed to get in a trade when it's just free falling? I don't have a strategy for free falling, unfortunately. There's a big candle to the upside. Close your eyes and press sell. You know, in hindsight, that actually probably isn't a bad strategy, but for whatever reason, I always time the exact bottom whenever I try to do that. So for me, that doesn't usually work. But, you know, when it is free falling, like, you know, another strategy for that is to just buy any or sell any up close candle if you're free falling. So like here, there's almost no drawdown. Here, almost no drawdown. Here, almost no drawdown. But then we have this engulfing candle here, so things could be changing. The ATR is a 112. It's pretty darn high. 114. Jason, you got short on the 20? It's probably not a bad spot to get short. However, we do got the delta crossing the confirmation line here, so we could go into a little bit of an uptrend temporarily. $20 scalp. All right. That's kind of how my trades have been today. Like this one, that was a winner, but it was quick. So was this one. Yeah. Be nice to get more follow through on those. Yeah, this is tough, Jason. This kind of price action is tough because of FOMO and because of greed. Absolutely. And I'm actually kind of proud of myself. I have not FOMOed and I have not been greedy so far today. So, little pat on my back there. Jason, I did I did Friday after your stream. I lost my mind. Been a long time since I tilted like that. Ashamed. Oh my gosh. Friday was one of my worst days in a long time. And that's why I kind of went back and I revisited things over the weekend and did a little bit more back testing and trying to see what I could do a little bit differently to prevent that. So that's why I have a little bit of a modified strategy today. Had I done on Friday what I'm doing right now, Friday would have been an excellent day. But yeah, Friday was tough. And what was tough about it was, we had the drop. When we started kind of moving sideways, there was a lot of like bullish long entry signals. And I think, none of those, I should say none. There was actually a few of those long entries that would have played out had I taken profit where I was supposed to. But by that point, greed kind of set in and I wanted more profit. So I held on longer and it came back and slapped me at break even. So those didn't help. And that kind of continued for a little while there, but never really got any momentum to the upside. And then it finally rolled over again and free falled again after that. So if you missed the initial drop and then even if you tried going short when it was going sideways, none of those really worked out either. Yeah, it was a tough day. Live and learn. That's all we can do. Try to use every day as a learning experience and figure out what you could have done better and make little changes here and there. That's essentially how I got to where I'm at now. It's just trying to do that every day. Always learn a little bit, make a little change, continue. Now that we've had that drop, curious if we'll just end up kind of moving sideways a little, at least for a while. Those deltas on the 5 are still looking pretty fat. Just waiting for that 5-minute to tick down and I'll start looking for shorts again. Starting to put in a lower high on the 1. Got the 3 pointed down, but the 5 is like borderline. 5's actually flashing a tick down here, so I think I am going to take this one short. All right, I am short. And there's 4 contracts off. Move to break even. All right, now don't hit my break even this time, market. Just go. Go like you did every other time. Well, it's a good sign. It hasn't hit my break even in a candle. There we go. Keep dropping. Come on, man. It just hit my break even. I cannot get in any follow through with any trades today. Look at that. It just had to kiss it before before it continues down. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to grab some more coffee. I'll be right back. Looks like that was a short that I missed there, which might have been a good thing because this looks like it could have been a loser potentially. Yep. Nice, Marcus. Looks like you're having a good day. We are pointed down across the board, so it looks like that was a short earlier. I might have got stopped out on it, but I think I'm going to give this one a shot. All right, I'm short. A little late on that one, but hopefully it can still produce. Yeah. Little late on that one. Would have been better to be in earlier. And it hit my stop. That's the first full stop today. 50 ticks. Looks like I have to update my spreadsheet here. That's not 80 ticks. This is 50 ticks today. 8 contracts. And this is... What is 50 ticks? It's 12.5 points. Twelve and a half points times number of contracts. There we go. So I kind of broke a rule on that one, which probably explains why I got stopped out on it. But the original entry was here at 9:33. Let's see if I would have got stopped out on that. Yeah, I would have got stopped out there anyway, so I guess I don't feel so bad. Having a little bit of a trend line break here. We could make a move to the upside. Potentially. Or this is going to be a fake out here. Or failed breakout. We still have the delta on the 1 pointed down. Signals on the 5 and the 3 are pointed down. So if we get a tick down here on the 1, I'll probably jump back in short. And I'm short there. $21,492.75. There's 4 contracts off. Move the rest to break even. Hopefully we can get a little follow through on this one, because I think this is my last trade before I end the stream here, because I have to run to a meeting. And there she goes. It got me on my second half. So that's going to do it for me for the stream today. After my meeting, I'll probably jump back in and trade a little bit more. But thanks for stopping by, guys. We will chat with you later. Good luck. We'll talk to you soon.
I said certified trend, watch that V-Box stick. Trade so clean, got my profits real thick.
Yeah, I use that VWI, volume weighted, that's the map. Hit my levels, never cap, big green candles, watch them stack. I'm in the zone, got my setup tight. VWL bouncing, entry right. Big lot size, no scalper life. Trend is strong, I hold all night. Market open, watch the tape, liquidity gon' set my fate. If it holds, I let it ride. If it breaks, I cut with pride. Midday chop, I step aside. Wait for trend and I decide. Be broke by magnet, price aligns. Catch that dip, now watch it climb. Yeah, I use that view get volume weighted, that's the map. Trend confirm, I let it clap. Catch that move, no looking back. The mode is shift, I see it clean. Delta rising, bulls and steam. Volume high, trend is mean. New day high, that's routine. Markets wild, stay composed. Bounce, I double dose. Risk is tight, reward is vast. Let it run, no exit fast. Pre-market plan already set. If it's weak, then short's the bet. Buy is strong, but I'll adapt. Trade what's real, don't get trapped. No emotion. hesitate. Liquidity gon' set my fate. If it holds, it gon' set my fate. If it holds, I'll let it ride. If it breaks, I cut with pride. Midday chop, I step aside. Wait for trend, then I decide. Market open, watch the tape. Liquidity gon' set my fate. If it holds, I'll let it ride. If it breaks, I cut with pride. Midday chop, I step aside. Wait for trend, then I decide. Why day chop, I step with pride. Midday chop with pride. Midday chop, I step aside. Wait for trend, then I decide. Vibe by magnet, price aligns. Catch that dip, now watch it climb. No emotions, risk defined. Robo telling me it's time. Big green candles, money stacks. Trade that volume, never lack. Never lack. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah. Look back, momentum shift, I see it clean. Delta rising, bulls in steam. Volume high, trend is mean. New day high, that's routine. Market's wild, stay composed. Vow bounce, I double dose. Risk is tight, reward is vast. Let it run, no exit fast. Pre-market plan already set. If it's weak, then short's the bet. Buy it strong, but I'll adapt. Trade what's real, don't get trapped. Vibes keeps me sane. Baseline price, it runs the game. Overextended, I refrain. Wait for retest, then I claim. No emotion, hits get fine. Baseline price, it runs the game. Overextended, I refrain. Wait for retest, then